Ito kasi yung tinatawag nilang indigenous games. So, ito yung mga tinatawag nila na IP community, they have their own indigenous games. So, hindi kami basta-basta hindi kami basta-basta makakapagpalaro nang wala yung approval nung IP commission. Oo. So, joint collaboration ito between the Philippine Sports Commission, PGIN, tapos yung host municipality, at saka yung IP community.
Ana dagiti may ayon no
indigenous nga ibang bagada. Instead, archery dangim hanga di archery nga baka di archery lang man-made, dagiti kasya, dagiti ibang bagada nga amom dati ibang bagada nga tiliwin da pa di baboy kasi lakas jay. Those are part of the indigenous. Kung on how yung indigenous yung indigenous community natin perform their daily lives, ganun din nila ina-associate yung kanilang mga games. So that will be, it's not new pero it will be new to us.
Yes.
Sa Ilocos Norte.